I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw when I'm on a beat, like an old man's lawn. Better keep off from the ground to the treetops. Got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline. Put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom.
Recording in progress.
A lot of stuff. Probably thought it
Recording
was
stopped.
till I went and
What up,
turned
chat?
it where I was down, but now I'm
Yo.
up. Let's go. Yeah. This
Go.
all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Hey, yo, chat, how we feeling? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in. Happy Friday. Let's go. Let's go. How we feeling, chat? How we feeling? Yeah. What up? All right, let me, what up? Who we got here today? Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome in. Hope you guys are doing well. George VDM is in the house. What up, George? What up, YOLO Trader? The Don is here. What up, the Don? Got a Trades in the house. Pia Magnifico. Louis G in the building. Andrew in the house. What up, Andrew? What up, Pablo? Ewan in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Diogo? What up, Teddy? Teddy. What up, Juan? Good morning, bro. Good morning. Stephen B is in the house. Z Gamer is in the building. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Xander? What up, OGH? Y'all know the names. Yanosh in the house. Yeah, you guys see the consistency with these guys and girls, man. Jay Coop in the building. What up, Captain? Richard Lewis. What up, Richard Lewis? C Melly in the house. What up, C Melly? What up, everybody? Welcome in. Good morning, Wags. Good morning, Clinks. How y'all feeling, man? Everybody doing good? Y'all doing good or what? George Poe is in the building. What up, George Poe? Good morning, Golden Heart. Good morning, Adam 8 Figs. What's good? What up, Randall? What up, James Watt? All right. Let's get started here today. We're a little late, we're a little behind, but we're right on time, I promise. All right. Mute them all. All right, let me just send this Zoom link out here. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join the free Discord. There's over 8,000 traders in there, traders/entrepreneurs, and it's a great place to be. And we're about to take the Discord here to like the next level. So join the Discord. It's completely free. And welcome to the family. What up, Raja? What up, Energy? Young Pipper in the house. What's good? What up, Sanct FX? What's good, Sanct FX? All right, let me share my screen, and then we're gonna rock and roll here, guys and girls. Sweet. Yeah, we good. All right, so let's get the day started. Let me pray, and then we'll jump into the markets here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you that we can come together, gather in your name. We thank you that there's a blessing upon this land here, Lord. We thank you for giving us this land, for blessing it, for just having your spirit dwell amongst us, Lord. There's no better feeling than to know that this all started in prayer, Lord. So it's incredible to see what you're doing. Continue to do the work, Lord. More of you, less of me. Bless your people as they come in and out of the building today, Lord. We thank you for it. We give you all the glory for our success, and we give you all the honor. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. God is good. God is good. Only if you knew the prayers, only if you knew what took place in the spiritual realm 2 years ago, your mind would be blown if you've seen what I seen 2 years ago. So what a blessing it's been. We're just getting started here. Time to eat is in its infant stage. What's up, Kelvin? What's good, Arnold? Good morning, good morning. DJ Scratches in the house. God is good all the time, man. All right, let's go ahead and jump into it. How's the music? Let me lower the music a smidge. And let's see what we got here today, man. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are locked in here, man. A lot of you guys have a lot of momentum on your side right now, which is amazing. Take advantage of it. Stay humble in it, and really, really continue to execute on the things that have been working out for you. Those of you guys that are kind of limping in here today and struggling, or maybe you're not seeing the results that you want to see in trading, just understand it takes time. You got to get over some things. You got to make your tweaks and adjustments, and you got to stay consistent with those tweaks. You can't make your adjustments 1 week and then go back to your old ways the next week. It's just not going to work. You got to build up consistency, right? And I'm here to show you that. I'm here to show you rinse and repeat systematic methods day in and day out, so you can finally understand, like, that's all there really is to it, man. That's all there really is to it. So let's go ahead and get this day started. I'm encouraging you guys to, understand what adjustments you need to make, and make them, man. Make them. Your family's counting on you. There's people watching you, counting on you, and it's all up to you. I can talk all this inspiration till I'm blue in the face, but nothing, and I mean nothing, changes unless nothing changes, man. So you really got to make that tweak and adjustment on your end. Hold yourself accountable to it, and the key word is consistency. Consistency, man. All right, let's get the day started here. Today's Friday. It is the 16th day of August. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be consistent in doing what we do best, which is being a professional, right? Being an observer of the markets, understanding them for what they are, understanding that just because it's 7:26 p.m. and the time to eat trading squad is here doesn't mean that the markets have to throw us a setup, right? So we're going to be observers here today. We're going to watch, we're going to wait, and if our setup shows up, we're going to hunt, all right? So that's our game plan here today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news. There's not really much going on in the news. Discord links expired. Don't worry, just hit !Discord and the proper link will pop up for you. All right, let's take a look here at what we got going on in the news today. Doesn't look like much. No red folders ahead of us. Just a little bit of 8:30 orange, yellow folders, and all that stuff throughout the day. So nothing too crazy on this lovely Friday that we got ahead of us. So why don't we go take a look? Let's open up the charts. Let's see what we got going on here today, and let's do a top-down analysis. You guys ready? Y'all ready? Ready to rumble? If you haven't liked the stream, please give the stream a like here. And if you're not subbed to the channel and you like the channel, sub to the channel. If we haven't earned that yet, that's okay. Just keep coming back, keep showing up, and maybe we'll get your sub one day. You guys ready? All right, cool. Let me make sure the Zoom link is out. Yeah, it is out. Let me just share my screen so these guys aren't just hearing me mumble here. Cool. What up, Zoomers? Let me move this chat over so I got it over here, and then yeah, we good. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here and see what we got going on here on gold. So we've been tracking this obviously day in and day out. So we know what the weekly's doing. We know we're obviously extremely bullish. We came rallying up here and then finally kind of created this range. Now we've officially broken out of the range, but you got the all-time high sitting right here, and we're not really doing much, right? We're not really doing much just yet. We're just playing around in this box. So basically we're just sitting at the top of the range, trying to see if we can break the all-time high here, right? And if we're gonna do it on this weekly candle, it's got to be done today, because it's 9 hours and 31 minutes left here on this weekly candle. So strap in, boys and girls, because if we break these highs today, we should go for a ride, right? So definitely looking to potentially see if we can go along with that idea. But then there's also the other side of the coin, where maybe we just continue to reject these highs, right? So we're right about on it now. We are starting to reject, so we'll see where we go today. But let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame and see what we got going on. So dailies setting up for a setup here, right? So we're all over price here, man. Remember, let's track back a couple days. We understood that this area here was a high level of resistance, right? You had a candle close with no top wick, right? So that ends the bullish party. We understood that price would most likely make resistance here, come down. We were all over that move, and come down to where, right? When you guys are analyzing charts, observing charts, and you're in this big bullish trend, and you're like, I don't really want to pull out the Fibonacci, or I don't want to do this, I just want to use the EYES indicator. That's totally fine, right? Where did we say that this candle was going to come down to? Where? Like right there, right? So it's going to peak back down, tap back into the range that it just came from, and potentially create support right in that area, right? So I didn't need a Fibonacci for this. I didn't need anything, right, outside of just market structure and price action here. So as you can tell, boom, we come down, we tap into the zone here at 47, and we plant support right there on the daily, and now we've officially filled the wick, right? So now we filled the wick. So we can easily say that right now we're currently in this range, right? You've got a support here, you've got a resistance here, and we just chopping around now. So today is Friday. I do think we'll make a move. It looks like we already made a decent move here in London, which is nice, but keep in mind, we are here at the all-time highs. We are here at this level of resistance. So let's keep that in mind on the daily. What can we say? Has the daily candle done its job, or is it probably still need to do work? I don't know, man. I think the daily tapping into here that's what it's designed to do, and anything further from that is just extra work. But ideally, you've tapped target here, right? And then maybe we begin to start moving down now. So just a idea. We'll have to go down to the lower time frames to see if there's anything that actually supports that idea, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. So let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Drop down, see what we got going on. So 4 hour. Okay, so one thing I see about the 4 hour is, remember yesterday, right? We pushed all the way up, and then we came down, right? Just as anticipated again. We had a beautiful read on that move down. And then look, 4 hour came back up and, you know, messed around here for a couple candles, and then later on created a new support, right? So you have the support, you had a very big engulfing candle, closure outside the range, which is nice. Over to the left hand side, we see that we have a wick to fill, right? So that is my first target. If I'm in buys off this 4 hour candle, that's my advantage point, and that's where I'm pulling 80% of my profits from. Now, we still have a little bit more room, right? We still have a little bit more room to go, although we did fill the wick. So let's see what we're doing now, because this wick here's got to be some sort of a bearish move here on the lower time frame. So 1 hour, let me get rid of this. 1 hour has been moving up, right? Let's track back here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 hour bullish candles here, and now we've officially filled the wick, right? So we did close above the range here on the 1 hour time frame, so it's no surprise that we did go ahead and fill that wick, but this is our new range here. So now we really want to pay attention to what's going on between 2470 and 2463 here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, if we get a fake out here, things are actually looking pretty good. Pretty good. So you did have a 30 close above, right? There is clean traffic to the left, so we can still run up here. 15-minute close bearish, which is nice. Yeah, so I think I'm going to sit tight. I'm going to wait on this 30-minute closure here. The 30-minute candle just closed, so we're going to wait on I'm going to wait on this one here, and then I like sells below 62 here. Anything below 62 looks money. Anything that remains above 67 here is pretty good for buys as well. So that's what I'm going to be sitting on for the next couple minutes here. 15-minute pushing down pretty nicely as well. You do have clean range here. So until we really get a closure back below 67, I wouldn't really jump on the sells yet. But worst case, I take my sells below 61 here today. I believe there's a 95 pip range below there. So 95 pip range coming down towards 52. Very, very clean move coming down. That's the break of the 4-hour low here after it filling the wick. So that lines up perfectly for me. And maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to get sells from up here. But, you know, it is a bit choppy. So we don't want to rush anything. But there could potentially be sells on this fake out if we get a closure back below here. So that's it. That is the day here. So clean traffic moving up for buys. I would say you got pretty clean move coming up towards like 80 or 79 there. So that's not bad. You got this area. This is would be our advantage point, which would be like 60 pips away. And then you got a clean move coming down. This zone here is okay. It's a little choppy. I did take sells here earlier. Took sells on this candle, went break even, and then this guy stopped me out at BE here. But looks like we're coming back down. So I was anticipating the sells already. We'll see if we can get another move here. Yeah, but that's it. That's the day. So we'll see if we get this 30 fake out. Buys are pretty clean. I would just maybe move that right once that candle closed. I want to leave it here though to pay attention to the fake out. But let's just go ahead and put potential fake out for sells and then clean sells below 62. Yeah, the best sells of the day are below 62 here. And that is the ball game. Let's make them purple. Let's clone them. This is our secret sauce right here. And boom. Yeah, we don't want to take sells too quickly here because this candle here, right, we're very bullish right now. So we're very bullish. And this candle here, this red candle, may close back above the range, right? If this candle closes back above the range, then we got a celery play where if you break those highs, we should head north here still. So that's why I want to be a bit cautious here, taking sells right off of this one candle. Yeah, because if we close above, looks good. Looks good. So sometimes people ask, like, how does the celery come about? You know, so the way the celery comes about is sometimes it's intended to be waited for, like today. Like right now, how I said, hey, if this I'll wait for this candle to close, and if it does, I'll set a buy stop. Sometimes it's a little different. Sometimes you're gonna have a buy stop already, and you're gonna be waiting, and there's gonna be like 10 minutes left, or let's say 5 minutes left in this candle, and it looks like that. And now you're just like, you know what? Let me delete my buy stop, and I'll wait to see how this candle here closes, right? And if it closes above, then I'll re-add the buy stop, and then that would be like the celery play. Yeah, otherwise you get this fake out. If you close down here, it's not worth the sell in my opinion, right? Maybe a closure back up here by like 67 340, but anything down here, I'm gonna wait for 62 there. Yeah, because then we got support here, we got a messy range here. Why take the risk in this 30 pip rough terrain, you know, like rough terrain, when you got clean move coming down here. What's up, Futures Frank? Futures Frank, man, that name stuck, bro. It did. It fits you well. Fits you well. Yeah, I took I took a sell right here off the 15-minute time frame a little earlier. Ended up, I think it went like 20 pips. Maybe 20 pips. Yeah, like 18 pips. I was in the shower, but it went like 18 pips, and then this candle came and hit me at break even. Yeah, that was the only trade I took here today. So yeah, so look, everything we talked about in the webinar, right? Don't you guys see how the steam is kind of slowing down here? You see how there's little candles, little wicks, no wicks, big rejections. So these are all the signs that the fade is approaching. Yeah, if we weren't so bullish, I would have probably looked into the fade here, anticipating a 30-minute fake out, but What made you go break even? I was jumping in the shower and I didn't want to take a full loss. So I'm like, let me just go break even. And yeah. It wasn't much of a technical thing. It was just I wasn't going to be looking at the chart. So I decided to go B. What up, AB Mike? AB Schneip in the house. AB Schneip. Man, Friday, what a week. It's been a good week, gang. It's been a good week. What day did the week start? Yo, what up, White Shark? Good morning, man. Good morning, J Mac. Good morning. Hey, there's C Melly. C Melly's all over the place. He's in every chat. That boy's in every chat. What up, Mike Go? 3 ants in the house. What up, 3 ants? Yeah, traders next door in the building. What up? Yeah, it's been a good week. Hey, what day did this week start on? Somebody help me out so I don't have to go over to my phone. It's on the charger. AB Schneip. I was questioning myself why I didn't go B, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, there wasn't any advantage point. It was mainly just because I was kind of gonna look away. Yeah, the 12th. Okay, cool. Oh wow, so we did get a good amount of trades in. Yeah, so it's been a good week here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then that BE would make it 13 for me. So 13 trades. 13 trades in a week. I mean, last year there were months where we took 13 trades. So a lot of that has to do with the fade, man. The fade has really added a lot of flavor to our system. It's added a lot of opportunity to our system, and that's really what the fade is all about. Notice how we don't have as many no trade days that much anymore, right? You guys notice that a lot of days we are taking trades, and that's because a lot of our no trade days, as we would be waiting, let's say for this resistance right here, let's say at 9:30 or 8 a.m., like we'd be waiting for the candle to close like this, but there's still 35 minutes left on the candle, and then by the time it closes, it's somewhere down here, right? So that's where the fade really comes in, and it throws opportunities our way, and it also gets us on the board more often, right? We don't tend to have as many no trade days. Not that no trade days are bad. I still do have some no trade days, but not as frequent as before, right? So look, if there's a big closure here for us in about 19 minutes here too. So we're leading into NY Open. NY Open celery would be awesome. What up, TK? TK. Flavor fade. Yeah, so these are the trades that I took this week. So I've been snapping pics of them so we can remember what trades were what. So yeah, I recommend that you guys do this as well. Really track your trades. And one thing all the elites know is if they don't track their trades, we got nothing, right? You got no improvement if you're not tracking. So that's one thing we hit really hard on when it comes to the elite members, is the fact that we really need to track our trades. So I'm gonna make sure I put pictures in here for you. But that was the trade. That was on I think Monday. These are some of my trades this week. What's this? No longer available. Uh-oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I guess I took pictures from the Discord. I won't do it that way anymore. But yeah, so this was that buy position that we took. The fade, that was I think on Tuesday. So all really good positions here. All really good positions. That was that one. Another fade position taken here. I think this was Asian session. So pretty soon we'll be taking these Asian session trades together. By the way, chat. We'll be taking Asian trades together, London trades together, post New York or post live stream trades together. This was an 820. This was the loss, I think. Yeah, that's got sniped out there by a couple pips there. So that is what it is. Yeah, so this is a buy I took. So I sent this analysis in the Discord. the other yesterday. Easy breakout. That was later on yesterday. Took partials at that wick fill right around this choppy zone, and I forget if that continued up. I don't think so. Yeah. Can you run through the loss you took yesterday and why you think you lost? What I could have done better? Yeah, I think where was that one? It was pre-news, so you know it's a cowboy type of style. I don't really think. I mean, maybe I could have used a wick or something over here, but you know, hindsight's 20/20, so it's not as easy to spot that, you know, in real time. But yeah, I was pretty much expecting this candle here to start here, right, and start breaking the low and driving down. But price had different ideas. Wanted to push up a little bit, just stopped me out by I think like 4 pips. And then just melted. Yeah, just melted after that. So that was it. The only thing I think I could have done better there was just stay out pre-news. But I felt like I had such a good read on price that we would move down, and I just felt like this zone here would just be respected, and it did get respected. But you know, it threw that wick up at me. So it is what it is. You know, it happens. Part of the game. And then what was this? This was onion play. So this is another fade impulse entry coming back down here yesterday. So that was another easy trade. And then this was an Asian session. Yeah, so buys on the break of this high. So I entered in on this red candle at the break of the high here. Price pushed a little bit in profit, came back down, a little bit of drawdown, and then you know right back up. And basically I look towards this zone right here for any sort of partials, like advantage points, and that was it. Pretty good, decent trades. The only loss was basically a news loss, and you know that's whatever. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Arnie? Good morning, bro. What up, Raul? Good morning. Good morning. So 15 minutes starting to reject the downside a little bit here, closing pretty weak. We did close back below on the 15, but we got this rejection support right here. So I like the 30 closure best because we may close above here. Yeah, we may close above, and then we've got a pretty clean range coming up. Potential celery play. The fade win rate. The fade win rate's pretty good. I think it's like 80 something. I gotta check. I'll get an exact number. I think Scott will be here in like 15 minutes. He'll pull it up real quick. What's up, LeGrand? Good morning, bro. Good afternoon. Is there a practice account on Tradeovate? I think so, yeah. If I have an account with... Yeah, I think there might be... I'm not sure, actually, if there's a... Yeah, there is a... You could do a demo account with Tradeovate. That's right. Um, 86% win rate. Yeah, so 86% win rate. I think at this point, we're starting to get a good amount of trades under our belt. By the way, like, you guys know, like, I'm big on data, right? So I think the more data we got, the better we get a read on it. So my goal is to just execute and let the chips fall where they may over 100 trades and then see where we're at. You know what I mean? And then that'll give us a really good handle on what the fade really presents. And we're still learning the fade too, right? Like there's still times we're a little bit early. So, you know, it takes time. Takes time, but hopefully this could show you guys like this is the process, right, that traders go through when they're trying new things, learning new things, sample sizing new things. You know, I haven't gone full risk really on those trades at all. Just sample sizing, just active live sample sizing. Yeah, but we're up there now. We're probably close to like 70 fade positions. So with 70 trades at a 86% win rate, that's pretty good. I would know pretty early whether or not we wanted to keep this around. You know, if it just started struggling right off the bat, then, like, maybe we don't have something here. But, once we got to like 20, 25 trades and, You know, the win rate was high 80s. I mean, it was working out really well. I think that's when we realized we were onto something, and now we're at like 70 trades here. So yeah. And not only are we at more trades, but the win rate continues to stay right there at that like 85, 86%. There's Scott. What up, Scotty? I'm going to wait for the 30 closure here. Yeah, I'm going to wait. Just the 15s all, you know, we can get a breakout here on the 15 as well. And volume coming in at NY Open in 10 minutes here. So I'm just going to wait. Yep. Yeah, Asians had a lot of good fades as well. You know why? Because typically in Asian, right? Let's say you have a bullish closure on the daily, right? And a lot of people want to be bullish right off the rip here in Asian session. But they're not realizing that price has to most likely make a bottom wick. You know what I mean? So you almost have a opposite bias in a way during Asian because you're expecting a bottom wick to form there. So a lot of times what's going to happen in Asian is like you're going to get like this range, right? And what'll happen typically is that price will, if we're bullish that day, price will break out of the range here. So you'll get a breakout, but it'll be a fake out. And this here will create the daily top wick or the daily wick on the top here. And then all of a sudden price will fade off. Just start fading, right? And just start fading off to create that bottom wick. And then later on, you know, price will come back and, you know, do its thing or whatever. And then this daily candle will move up. So that's been my go-to little secret here during Asian session a bit. And we'll talk about this more when we go live for Asian session in September. But yeah. Yep. Engineer 14 in the building. What up, Tills? That's good. That's good. So how y'all feeling today, man? What's good? Talk to me. You guys got questions? What can I do for you today? I'm here at your service. Took a lesson during London. A lesson during London, London during lesson. You taught London a lesson, right? Any word on Miami meetup? Yeah, we could do anything on Monday. Monday during the day. Ideally like mid-afternoon. That's going to work best. Monday, which is the 19th. Yeah, anytime like 1 p.m.-ish will work good for me. Charts for stream? All right, yeah, we'll take a look. Yeah, let's take a look at charts for stream. Charts for stream, let's take a look. Hey chat, yeah, no, yesterday, that was it, man. Yesterday was the last day for the webinar. So the webinar, I don't think it's available anymore. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they had it on a timer. Yeah, I told you guys yesterday. TTE, let's see. Yeah, I don't think. Nah, yeah, it's out. It's out. So congrats to those who grabbed it while it was still there. But now it's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's in the secret elite database now. That's right. Actually, it's not in there yet, but we will have it loaded up in there. What are we doing? Charts for stream, right? Yo, what up, Ronnie? Are all my trades scalped? So most of them, I would say, are within a 30-minute candle. Here and there, like sometimes we'll not hit target yet, or like we'll be in drawdown or just floating around break even. So that tends to extend our trades most, when we are in for more than like 20 minutes. But yeah, most of them are like 15, 20 minutes and we're out of there. We're out of there. I think our longest trade ever was like, 3 hours at one time. This was way back. This was last year. I didn't even have this computer yet. I was on my Mac at that point. We were in this trade. The Quakers were quaking. We were in this trade for like 3 hours. Price came straight. Like let's say our stop loss was like right here. Some of you guys might remember this trade. Our stops were like sitting right there, and it was just literally for like 25 minutes, like threatening it, and just eventually just came back up and just flew. That was the best trade of my life, because there was so many Quakers that day, and I just wanted to win that trade. I just had a good feeling about it, and yeah. So anybody remember that trade, man? We were like 1 pip from stops. Man, the Quakers, they were like cracking the knuckles, getting ready to like on the keyboard and all that, man. It was a good time. It was a good time. It was such like a once I closed it, I was like, let's go. Yeah. It was a couple hour trade. But other than that, yeah, typically like 15 minutes, 15-minute candles, 30-minute candles, and we're in and out. The Quakers were quacking. Nah, that was long before Mike. That was long before Mike, long before Sugar Bear. We got a few famous Quakers. Yeah, we love all them guys though. They all turn into TTE supporters, which is good. Yeah, the rise of Mike. Nah, I think that was before his time. Hey, let's hit charts for, we got like 4 minutes here, so let's just see how the candle closed, and then we'll look into charts for stream. Just remind me again. Sometimes I forget. Actually, let me open it up in Discord so we go back to it. What up, Alan Forex? Hope you're doing well, man. When's the next webinar? Probably not for a bit. We tend to do those like 2 or 3 times a year. So we just did one. I think we caught everyone up to a lot of what we were doing. We are going to start doing weekly webinars that are going to last about an hour. So that's going to be in the new program. So yeah, we're going to be doing those. Those are going to be on fire. Those are going to be amazing. Those are going to have a lot to do with with trading, but a lot to do with also mindset, mentality, personal growth, leadership, things like that. 24-hour streams start in September. So what they're going to do is they're going to open up at like 7:30 p.m. Eastern, right, to cover Asian session. So 7:30 the stream will open. It's going to run all the way till 5 a.m. Eastern. 5 a.m. And in that you'll have Asian and you'll have London session. So we'll be trading live Asian and London the whole entire time. This is at 5 p.m. we take a little bit of a break, and then that's when we come back for the live stream here at 7 a.m. right? So same Zoom link, right, that you guys get now at 7 a.m. and that'll cover New York, and then we'll run this all the way through the entire day till closing bell around like 4:30 p.m. to finish off New York session. Yeah, it's gonna be insane. Gonna be insane. Every day, every single day. I'm really looking to start to make an impact outside of the live streams as well. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be trying to pop up on you guys as often as possible throughout the day, throughout the night. Some of you guys have added your emails here. I'm gonna try my best to come say hello to you in your inbox and kind of cover some of our let's say our daily lessons of the day. If you guys aren't signed up to our email list and you want those type of emails from me, just sign up here. Yeah, go to the TTE website, sign up, put your email there, and I'm going to pop up in your inbox a little bit more. Yeah, we're going to have some fun. We're going to talk about some lessons, and we're going to see how we can continue to impact lives, not only on the charts, but off the charts as well, or off the stream. Yeah. No, the 24-hour stream is no, it's not September. It's till further notice. Yeah, it's just that's our new thing. That's what we're gonna bring to the table for traders now. We're working, trust me. Yeah, a lot of times too, YouTube doesn't always like what we tend to talk about. So it's gonna be nice to have something that's, not censored, so we can kind of just speak from the heart. How do we know if it's the real Nick? Ask me a secret question. No, I don't know. Let's create a password. Hey, how about we create a code? You know, like how parents would create a code for their kids. Like, hey, if I ever send someone to pick you up from school, make sure that when you ask them, hey, what's the code or the password, they know it. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll create our own little code. Nah. Hey, with all that being said, although we're doing a lot of stuff off the charts, I will never, ever, and I mean ever, hit you up to ask you if you want to be involved in it. So just keep that in mind. You'll never get that message from me. If you are getting that message from something that appears to be me, just know that it's not. Yeah, that's a good move here. Nice. All right, 4 hours filled the wick, and now it's coming up here. So maybe we get a better price here. Yeah, this was nice though. All right, cool. Yeah, so the candle closed with no top wick here at 8 a.m. So I do want to see a push up here. Like if we create a nice lower wick and then push up, I think there's a decent opportunity for us. Yeah, we want to see a lower wick and then like a nice little attempt up towards like that purple line there. If it closes without a top wick, is it a fade? Yeah, there's a chance for a fade here. Yep. Yeah, this is my break-even trade here. Taking off the 15-minute. So entered on this one and yes, that other buy I took last night too. All right, let's see what we can get here. Potential shorts coming up for me. We will see. I had 2 lots running from 67. 67. Oh, nice. Nice, bro. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, nice little push there. QNTM. Please further elaborate. Analysis getting closer. Nice. Nice. W. All right, let's take a look over here to the left. Let's see what we can use for stops. Yeah, I think stops are pretty good around like, I'd say 30 pips here. Yeah, we may fade off here. Yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of the lows on gold here. Yeah, sell stops. So NY open coming in. There should be quite a bit of volume coming in here. You got good push up, candle close and no top wick. Volume coming in. Let's see if we could push up a little higher. Yeah, there we go. Like if we could push a little higher and then break the lows, that'll be great. Can you allow me to use your journal? Absolutely. Yeah, you could use it. Fades loading potentially. Yeah, nice tap into that purple zone would be awesome. Somewhere right around here would be great. But I think this is good enough here to set a sell stop for me. For me. Let's see. Let's do it over here. Sell stop. All right, cool. Yo, what up, Sandman? Good morning, bro. Can you talk about taxes? What are those? What are taxes? Pen pals, let's go. Yo, pen pals, bro. What? I haven't heard of that in forever. That's as foreign to me as taxes. Where's my boy Green at? Green will educate you guys on taxes. All right, this is good. Yeah, I wanted to see this push up quite a bit here. What's the best way to set partials? Depends on what platform you're using. Yeah, it just depends. By the way, we are working right now. We're working on a magic, somewhat of like a risk calculator, like magic keys for futures. So it's actually going to tap right into TradingView. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But that's coming soon, man. It'll work for futures. It'll work for like, you know, any of you guys trading off TradingView. TradingView, yeah. Hey man, that one day I left man, I lost like 2,000 trying to figure all that out. Remember that one day we had a beautiful buy on gold. This thing went like 60 pips, and then when it finally hit me at break even, I guess it didn't adjust the lots as it should, or maybe it doesn't adjust the lots. I had to do that manually. But man, yeah, I came back, so got activated at like 10 a.m. while we were on the stream, and we didn't even notice I was activated. And then I stayed in that trade from 10 a.m. to like 8 p.m. When I got back to the desk later at night, I noticed I was in a trade. I'm like, yo. And yeah, that thing was down like 2 grand, so I had to eat that 2 G's, man. Yeah, it was a little whack, but 4-hour didn't tap target. Yeah, that's the target here. You know, that's why I wanted to tap into that purple zone there, because that is the 4-hour target right there. Yeah, so now it has, you know, so that's one of the main reasons I wanted to see that purple zone get hit, and now it's hit. So we'll see how we do from here. Yeah, and now stops are sitting pretty much above the purple zone there. So it's about 33 pips. Yeah, let me adjust this real quick. All right, cool. Oh yeah, no stop loss. That's right. Yeah. What's stop loss? Green, how we feeling today, bro? Happy Friday, man. What up, Zoomers? What y'all got going on? Scott, J-Mac, don't worry, man. Time to clean it up. Nothing a little consistency won't fix. Does anybody here struggle with taking trades? Like, does anybody here struggle like with executing at all? Some of you guys over execute, and then some of you guys like under execute. Any of you guys under execute, like you're finding yourself like not pulling the trigger? Like maybe like it's one thing when you're here with me, but maybe like when you don't have any guidance or help, like it's just you see the opportunities, but for some reason you're not sure. Yeah. So and a lot of times typically that it plays out in your favor, right? Like it kind of does what you wanted it to do, and you're like, man, why didn't I get in that? It was obvious. Yeah. So, you know, a lot of people deal with that. A lot of people under trade. There's obviously the other side of that where you over trade, but a lot of that has to do with you not really grasping the probability mindset. And we talked a lot about that in the webinar. You know, really not grasping that everything you do is a guess, right? It's an estimated guess. It's a hypothesis in a way, right? Where all you're doing is you're executing based off of what you've seen prior, right? So when you stay out of trades, right? When you look into a trade and you go, well, this looks really good, right? I should execute here, but you don't. That just tells me that you don't understand the probability yet, right? You don't understand that you're trying to basically avoid losing a trade, and you can't do that as a trader. You're trying to avoid the unavoidable, right? And it's just not going to happen. You really do have to embrace the losses. You have to understand that once you have a playbook, once you have a systematic approach that in a way guarantees results if you follow it, then it's only your only job at that point is to execute when that data presents itself, right? So some you're going to lose, some you're going to win. You will never know. So there's never been one trade I put on that I know, hey, this is going to be a winner. Like, as much as I could say, hey, this looks good right here, I'm going to have sell stops, looks like we can come down, you know, no top wick, 4-hour tap target, blah, blah, blah. I have no idea if this trade's going to win or lose. No clue. Right? But I'm still going to execute because the data states that if we do this over the long haul, we'll win 80 out of, actually on the fade, technically, we'll win 87 out of 100 of them. So this one might go to the 87. It might go to the whatever else it is. What is that? 20, 23? Well, 18, 17? I don't know. Whatever. It might go there, right? Let's just say 80-20. This could go to the 20 pot, which is the losing pot, or it might go to the 80, which is the winning. But all I know is if I continue to execute without hesitation, that trade by trade, they'll eventually start to pour into one pot, right? If this is your green profitable pot, and this is your red negative losing trading pot, right? We know that 80 are going in here and 20 are going in here. So the outcome of this trade, I don't know, and I don't care, right? It's going into either this one or this one. That's all I know. All I know is that if I execute over and over and over, it'll go boom, 8 will go in here, 2 will go in here, 8 will go in here, 2 will go in here out of every 10. So play the probability game to the best of your ability. Get out of the way. You know, just get out of the way. Pretend that you're working for me and you're trading my capital, and if a playbook setup shows up, you have to execute. It's your job. Otherwise, I fire you, right? And it's true, because if you don't execute, you won't make money. So you'll fire yourself in a way, right? Because if you're not making money, how are you going to keep doing this, right? So really understand that you're playing a probability game. And no trader I know, the 8-figure traders that I've talked to, not even they know whether or not they're going to win or lose on any given trade, right? They're trusting the probability. They're getting out of the way of it, and they're just letting the numbers run. So that's what I'm going to encourage you guys to do. Don't worry about your wins or your losses. You know, just think about the probability, right? That's it. Think about the long haul, and you play that game moving forward. Am I in? I am not in yet. No, I haven't gotten activated yet. Right, so the probability of this trade of price going down on the break of the low is, what did we say, 87%. So that's all I need to know. That's all I need to know, that there's an 8.7% chance we win this, and then whatever is the opposite of that, that's the probability of us losing. And guess what, I fixed my risk so that any loss is not a big deal. Right, so just make sure you're not risking too much. Make sure you know what you're putting on the trade, and make sure you know that once you get activated here, that money could be lost. It could be lost. So maybe you're not executing because you're trying to over leverage, right? Instead of risking 10, why don't you just go ahead and start risking 2? Just risk 2. Right, just to get into the habit of actually entering into trades without quaking, without worrying, without getting so nervous, right? Just super low size. After my losing streak in February, what did I do? Even as a 5-year trader, what did I do? I sized down, right? I started sizing down in March, and then April, as I started to earn my size back through good results, right? Good progress. That's where I started to size back up. You know what I mean? And get back into the flow of it. So yeah, get out of the way. The playbook wants to reward you. What trading platform do I use with Top One? I use Trade Locker. I remember February streams, so tough. So tough for who? Imagine you were me, having to pull up 1,600 people, and your record is 2-10. 2 wins, 10 losses. How you doing? Nobody knows nothing. They counted us out here, gang. They wrote us off. Do I often trade in futures? Yeah, I trade. Yeah, yep. That's where I have my own cash. Your journal temples view only. I think you got to go to File, make a copy, and then you should be good. $200. Nice pattern forming here. Yeah, so I've been activated. So got in this trade, and guess what? Just like I said, we can win this trade, we can lose this trade. Now it just goes into the hands of probability. So I don't care whether or not I win or lose here. All I care is that the setup is here. It's time to execute, and if we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. Partials, yeah, I'm gonna look to secure some partials towards the bottom of the range, about 30 pips if we do start to move in profit, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, because we may, you know, we could take sells here but remain bullish, right? Because this candle, let's say, can come down, right? Throw this bearish candle and then just kind of plant support here to continue moving up, right? So that's where I'm gonna close partials in case price wants to come down here, retest this zone, and then begin to continue moving up from there. Yeah, and then I'll flip my bias there and look to take buys if we get that support. But right now we haven't had a support in a while, especially off the 1 hour time frame here. So definitely looking to see if we can catch the pullback. We got 820 coming in here. Yeah, it's 817 here, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, if you're a Quaker, don't take the trade. If you don't have the the confidence in this. Don't take the trade. I'm taking this trade, you know, not you, just me. If you like what I'm doing and you do whatever you do over there in your own house, do it. But this is just what I'm doing here. $50K personal or $250K funded? Probably $50K personal. Very quick. 40K coming. Yeah, I think we're at like 39 now, right? 39K. W. Coming soon, coming soon. This is the setup. This is the one that we call the fade. So that's the one that we call the fade. It's really just an impulse entry, expecting the pullback, right? So that's why I'm closing partials here based off of what I explained just a minute ago. And you know, you may get this pullback for price to continue moving up later, or it may just continue juicing up. You know, although it's been running up, like this is our last support here. It can still run up, you know what I mean? Doesn't have to stop, especially a pair like gold. When gold rallies, it rallies, man. My anniversary is this week. What a lovely year. PM Magnifico. Let's go. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, some of you guys have been here well over a year now. We appreciate y'all, man. It's been good to have you guys. It's been good to see the impact and hear the stories, and we're just getting started, my friends. When will I go BE? I'm probably just gonna close partials down here. Yeah, I don't think I really have much of a BE. Maybe yeah, maybe around like this 20 pip mark here. This area over here. All right, we got 820 here, so we'll see if we're gonna move down. Volume's gonna come in right now, so whether we move up or down, this is where you're gonna see a push. Should we get out before the news? What news? I don't think there's no red folder news here today. Why did I choose gold? Nah, no specific reasons. I feel like it kind of chose me, right? I don't know. I just started liking the idea of trading gold, and then all of a sudden things just happen to start like panning out and going into like moving me in that direction. Like I met this one kid, he only traded gold, and then I was working with him for a little bit, so started with him, and then Raja, you know, Raja traded mainly gold, so it kind of just like fell into my lap and just had a little liking for it. 28th August will be my 1 year. Let's go. W. Yeah, the one thing with the fade is that you can still be early, right? So this is a trade where sometimes you're going to be early because you are fighting what meets the eye here is that we're very bullish, right? So you're fighting that, but you're basing it off of targets being tapped and candlesticks showing signs of weakening up and things like that nature. So yeah, the only thing is with the fade, sometimes you're early. Typically we're never wrong about direction when we lose a fade. We're just typically a little early, and that's perfectly fine. I told you guys that would be the case moving into our sample sizing of that. So it's not something that, we don't already know will happen, right? It's pretty expected. Something kind of baller about gold. Hey man, I'm a full-time gold trader. Just sounds good. 28th of August is yours too? Damn. 2 on the 28th, man. What did we do on the 28th last year? Time to wake Lele up. It's Lele. It's time. I should go wake her up like that. Just blast Bruce Buffer. Volume is the most important key when it comes to the fade. Yeah, volume, and then those things that we talked about, the targets being tapped, the candles with no top wicks, you know, things like that. But we don't really have any volume here at 820, so very interesting.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Do you have any other sources of income? Yeah, I do. Mainly focus on trading. Trading is just, no, I'm an entrepreneur. So I'm a trader from, you know, 7 to 11. And I love entrepreneurship. I have other businesses, other streams of income. I'm trying to change the generation of my family, man. Like, I'm trying to create generational wealth out here, not only in the pockets but in the mentality. So I'm all over opportunity. I'm all over networking. I'm all about developing multiple streams of income. Okay, remember what I ate for breakfast? Y'all remember what date you? Yeah. That's pretty impressive that you guys remember the date in which you kind of like showed up. I don't think I'd be able to remember that. Did I execute on this? Yeah, I'm in this. Yeah, I'm in right here. Waiting on the move. Waiting on a push here. Will we get it? How do you stop yourself from closing too early? I just kind of like look and see, hey, where can my advantage point be, and let me not touch it until then. So that's one thing I've worked on over the last few months, is just really making sure we're letting our ideas play out. It's not that I'm holding. So some people, a lot of people actually, a lot of traders have no clue when to close, right? They're just like, all right, that's enough money, I'll close there, right? There's no logic on the charts for that, right? So I really am big on just playing what's in front of me, playing the chart level that's here, and then really just holding until my idea plays out. So not until there's more money made, but until the idea actually plays itself out. What time frame to enter this trade? This trade was basically entered on the 1 hour / 30. It's like a 1 hour 30-minute idea here. Yo, what up, Ecom Dre? Johnny Gems in the house. What up, John? Let me get you. Hold on one sec. What's good?
Yo, good morning, my man.
How we doing?
Hey, bro, how you doing?
Ain't damn awesome, brother. You?
Fantastic, brother. Great
Yeah.
to be here.
Yeah, what you up to?
Sir. Just chilling. Chilling, bro.
Gelling? You gelling?
Sir, ready to win the day.
Win the day. Let's go.
Sir.
Same.
Facts.
Same. 30 closure here in about 4 minutes. So we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. We're in this fade opportunity here. We're taking a shot.
Yeah, I got in this too.
Oh, nice. I'm taking a shot. I don't
Yes,
think
sir.
chat's in. I hope chat, you guys aren't in, right?
That was good.
Was good.
Good morning, y'all. Yeah, we need that 15-minute to close bearish, man.
That 15 with that little inverted celery going on there.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I took those buys though at 7:30.
Oh, nice. 7:30. Oh yeah, that was nice.
So risking some of my profits now on this.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah, I took some nice wins last night, so risking some profit from that.
Nice.
Yeah, yesterday 2 trades, and then last night 1 trade.
Nice.
Do I take the fade half risk? Yeah, typically. Yep. All right, chat, where you at? Quaking and drawdown here, little DD. Good
Quaking
for the
and
soul,
drawdown.
man.
Yeah.
Watch that stop loss be destroyed. Yeah, that's fine too. That'll just go into one of these 2 boxes. I'm not a Quaker, you know. I don't care when stop losses get hit. I know that the probability just plays itself out. So each trade is just gonna go from this position to one of these boxes. The win or the loss column. The win or the loss column. That's it. Boom or boom. Boom or boom. I know if I do this 100 times, I'll win 80%. The mind of a pro. The mentality of the pro.
Hey,
Hope
man.
it plays out.
You gonna do?
I don't care if it plays out or not. All I care about is execution on the edge. I don't hope at all. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, our job is done. We executed on our edge. We put our stops in the most logical spot. Our job's done. 7 seconds on the 30-minute candle here. Yeah, we got 8:30. So as long as we don't break the highs here, we should be good.
Where you got your stops above that wick?
Yeah, I got them above. Yeah, right. I'm going to probably just move them above that little resistance. Probably like 3 pips there. Just in case we tap the highs. So I would say move them above here, right? These wicks right here, just put them above there. Just in case we break the high and do some pack runner. And then by the way, if you're not in, this is a decent fade position here on the break of the low. Stops, don't get.
Chill.
Yeah, we may keep running. When we said this when we put the trade on.
Yeah.
It must go down. It shall not hit there.
Shall I go?
Let's see. Moving stop loss strategy. Yep. Yeah.
So you moved it up above that resistance?
I just put it above these wicks over here, just in case. Just in case you want to tap that high and then start breaking from there. Yo, what up, Perez? How you doing?
Raz.
What's good? What's good?
Hey, bro.
MK Trades. What up, everything? How's everything? Everything. What a name.
Everything.
Let's see. Depends on how much. Oh, I don't know what this is. I think today gold will break all-time highs. It definitely could. Yeah, like today's the day, right? The weekly on the weekly chart. Yeah, I think I got hit. Yeah, I got hit. Yeah, if you
Okay.
break those weekly highs, you got this basically this weekly high sitting right here, you know. So if you break it, you are gone here today. All right, so let's see if we have another yesterday where we get tapped by a pip or two, and then fade off. Let's keep this up here. Let's see how we roll here. Man down, man down. Yeah, so stops got hit for me. Little 44 pips. Did you get hit, John? You got hit or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another yesterday. Yeah, I hope. Honestly, I hope this thing juices up now. If we start bleeding from here, I'm gonna be quaking.
For real, bro. All good.
Friday runs. Yeah, keep juicing. Keep juicing. Negative 176, negative 200. Nice. Feels good, right? Gotta take a L here and there. Yeah, let's mark this one up. Let me screenshot this so I got something to go back to. Link. All right, 8 a.m. I believe that was. Goldie. $15. All right, sweet. Just put that. All right, yeah, I'm gonna try and get all my screenshots moving forward on. I was being lazy on that last couple. Yeah, I'm gonna take all the screenshots moving forward. Let's see. How do you risk 6%? You just calculate what 6% is to your account, and then you know, set your lots up and make it that much of a risk. Move stops at 15 high. Which one? Which one? This one? Yeah, we should, I think we are still going to fade off from here. Somewhere in this area. Yeah, somewhere between these two zones. All right, what do we got here? So let's mark this area off so we know what's here. All right, cool. Oh, I was asking the guy above. Oh.
Wait, what?
Nah.
Sorry, I was
Oh,
doing something on
man.
my computer.
We're gonna move off. Let's see. How do you trade in all-time highs? Typically, you don't. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta wait for new ranges to form. But we trade on like a 15, 30-minute time frame. So other traders who look at it like this, it's probably pretty tough for them. But for us, I mean, unless we're legit at the all-time high, then it's still decent, right? Because we've got all these ranges. Yeah, if you're more of like an intraday trader, then I would say it's probably a little tougher. Like, what do you do here? What do you do?
Sheesh.
It'll be a good fade now. Probably. Yeah, we're probably a little early here. Yeah, I think now what we could do is just wait on 15 closure here. Would I consider the second fade? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's see how we react here. There's 7 minutes left on this candle. I think if this guy closes below, then it should be ready at that point.
Yeah, that was a great trade though.
Yeah, hell yeah. You're still in. Oh, I thought it was a bad trade, Enzo. Thought it was a bad trade, man.
Made same money on the same play yesterday, so all good. Let the chips fall as they may.
You trash? Yeah, you're so cool, man. Fatal IX. You're so cool, bro. God bless, man. Would love to be you one day. Not everyone could be you, bro. Not everyone could be you. What up, Lights Fire?
Oh, good. We're gonna take some else.
We're gonna take
We'll
L's,
take it on the
man.
chin, and we'll continue to operate like the casino, and continue to execute on what we know best, right? On our edge.
Oh yeah, Enzo. My bad. Wrong guy. How much percentage you up this year? I don't know. I gotta check. My bad, bro. What up, Lights Fire? How you doing today, bro?
Hey, it's got lights fire. Yeah, facts, Jalen. Losses do build character. I agree.
Yep. Yeah, so I'm going to wait on the 15 closure here. If we close below the range, this still looks really good to come down. Really good.
I agree with that. We got more of a confirmation of a rejection wick, so
Yeah.
I'm with it.
Yeah, and again, you know, the fade will be very rarely are we wrong about the actual direction. It's just the time. You know, it's very if you don't have a confirmation candle, right? Then you have to really time the fade properly. And there's nothing better we could have really done there, right? 1 hour candle closing outside of just waiting, but what were we really waiting for? Right? We already had this candle tap into that zone, so there was really nothing else to wait for at that point. Joe Stoop.
Hey, I'm doing great, Lights Fire. How you doing, bro? Wearing Joey Stoop.
How you doing?
Yeah, wait on this 15. Still with the move, just early.
Yep.
Educated guesses only.
We get experience here. Right?
Yep.
The more and more early we are, the more patience we can develop to really wait for the best price. But again, I don't think there's anything I would have done differently there. We had a rejection there, we had a no top wick, we broke the lows. That's fine for me.
Yeah. When you can back your trade up with reasonings to getting in, that's a good trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Tackling the webinar this weekend. Let's go.
30-minute,
Lights
1
fire.
hour, 4 hour daily, all at resistant areas. 15-minute had closed weak bullish with an exhaustion wick. And then we entered on the break of those lows. So
Yeah.
I thought it was great.
Yeah, me too. Let's do it again. 3 minutes.
Yeah, facts, bro.
Monkey. The lockdowns are coming, man. Elections coming in. It's gonna be wild. Get ready as these elections start coming in for the U.S. It's gonna get probably a little crazy.
Monkeypox, bro. Stop playing. Sheesh.
The monkeys are back. I didn't get stopped out. Should I close? Nah, I would hold. If this candle doesn't, if it closes above, then maybe manage it a little bit. But other than that, if you're respecting 75 here, this looks pretty good to go down. Like if there was how much was this one? Like 13 pips. So yeah, it was pretty decent. But yeah, if I didn't get stopped out, I'd still be in. I'd be waiting on this closure here. More volatility in election time? Yeah, there's going to be a lot of volatility. Yup. Yup, you just wait. Just wait on it.
Wait on
It's
it.
getting hot in here. Any advice? Let's see, what's the question here? Country of monthly salary is 100 to 200. What should I do regarding risk to reward? I bought a 5K funded. Just do 1%. Yeah, just whatever your playbook allows. You know what I mean? Like my playbook is typically 1R on the fades. We'll typically get like more than 1R, 2R, 3R on some fades, but you just gotta play the charts, man. Don't force RR. Don't force win rate. Just take good executions. Take good playbook setups, and just let the chips fall as they may. Don't get too hyped up on one win. Don't get too down on one loss. Just focus on the long haul and run your system. Remember, the next 1, 2, 3 trades ahead of us, the outcome's completely random. But what isn't random is the outcome of the 100 trades. So just keep your eyes focused on the next 100 trades as you go about your business every day.
Yes, sir.
Who you voting for? Jesus. What do you think? I'm Team Jesus out here.
Same. Praise Jesus.
I don't bow down to government officials, no matter which one. Trump, Biden, Kamala. She's so bad.
Obama.
Yeah, I don't pay attention much to it, to be honest. I do have an understanding of what's going on, but, you know, it's all in the hands of the Lord, man.
Yes, sir.
Don't conspire with thee. Remember, no man knows the day or the time. No one. So there's a lot of conspiracy, a lot of, you know, stuff going on. Just trust in the Lord, man. You be all right. All right, so we did close above, so that's not the hottest. So yeah, there's probably no trade here for me just yet. Off the 15. So this could lead to a 15-minute fake out. So we'll see what happens there. Forgot the 30 minutes still open here. I forgot about that. Yeah, so this may be where we start to bleed. Yeah, let's take a look here.
A lot of volume there.
Might be interested in this, giving this a second shot here.
On the 30 low.
Yeah, I like this. I think I'm going to give this a... Oh, did my order get filled or no? Yeah, I think I'm going to give this a second shot. Let's see if we can pull back a little.
Damn, bro. Just missed it.
Yeah, I'll probably give this a second shot if it pulls back a little for us. If it goes, it goes. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop. I'm gonna give this one more shot here. I feel like that we can move down now. So yeah, we came back into this zone. So we didn't fade here. We came up here, and maybe this is where we start to fade off. Plus, you got the 4 hour ready to pull back here. I like it.
I was right at
like
resistance.
Two wings on the same bird. Yeah, that's like me and my wife. We're like two wings on the same bird, baby. Bro selling rallies.
Right back up.
Rallies. When do we put sell stops? I'm going to have a sell stop here on the break of the low. Give this another shot now, especially that we broke the lows here. Oh, I'm sorry. Sell stop. What do you call this setup? We calling this one the fade. The fade. It's just an impulse entry. That's all it is. It's the idea here is that the 4 hours running into a very high like level of resistance, a targeted area, right? So if this 4 hour, right, if we're thinking about the next 12 minutes, do we believe that this 4 hour is going to keep pushing up, or may it pull back now, right, to leave a wick for the next 4 hour candle to follow if it wants to stay bullish, right? So that's the idea, is that we may get this 4 hour candle to begin to pull back. Typically that will happen in the last 15 of the 4 hour candle, which is what we're in right now. So that's the idea of it, to see if we could pull back and close back below. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, 4 hour might close with no top wick. Also, that's also an option too. 4 hour candle may start pushing up, close above here with no top wick, right? And then maybe the next one starts to drop. TT Barbershop. Love y'all, man. Love y'all. Love y'all, man. How many pips is stops? Stops is I think like 40 or 50. 50, 55. Yeah, all right, I'm just gonna delete it. So now it's just juicing up. I'm just gonna delete it. I'll wait for the 4 hour closure here, and then we'll take things from there. We'll do a fresh bias here too, fresh analysis. Let's let this 4 hour close in about 10 minutes. Will we pop on these all-time highs? You're witnessing history once again here on the Time to Eat live stream. Let's see if we get them. 24.83. I closed my pending order. Yep, same. Daily juice box.
It's crazy.
Can you walk through the trade result portion of the journal? Yeah, so those are pips. Yep. So those are pips. So all these, so I was putting percentages, but now that I'm trading on multiple accounts, I just put it back towards pips. Yeah, it's a lot easier to track. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the trade. That's the result of the trade. So the first box here is basically like the trade entry. So what setup was it? You know what I mean? Like what time did it happen? These are the areas in which I like to track. Time, pair is obviously gold. Was it a buy or sell? Which setup did I use? Which entry did I use? And then what time frame was it on? Those are the main things I like to know. The risk is good to have just so I know what I'm doing. And then what did I actually get or lose on that trade? So that's basically what I like to do. And then I like to look, hey, what time did we close 29 and it ran for 50? Typically those are going to be, this is the importance of tracking trades, right? This is typically going to be around your high volume times, 9:30, 9:15, 8:30, big volume times where you'll see the runners go, right? So what does that tell you now? They say, hey, when we're trading at 9:30 and we're typically going to close partials, let me just go BE there, right? Because this is a trade that's most likely prone to keep running, right? So you'll find specific times like 8:15 and 9:30 where you get the bigger moves from. And yeah, so it's very important to track your trades. Holy, here it comes. Let's get rid of everything and just enjoy this.
Enjoy the whole time highs.
You can access it by hitting !journal in the chat here, and then and it'll pop up for you. And when you get it, just hit File, make a copy, right here. File, right here, make a copy, and then you should be good to do what you got to do. Yeah, you can leave my trades. Some of you guys just like to follow my trades and stuff, and they'll be added and updated when I do that. But if you guys want to get rid of all my stuff and use it for yourself, then you're more than welcome to. This was a journal I got from Don 2 years ago, so he made it open for the public. I just happened to use it, and yeah, you guys are free to use it too, I guess.
Damn, the dollar's doing really, really bad.
Dollar
Keep
bills,
breaking all-time
y'all.
highs.
That milk going up.
Crazy.
The price of eggs going up. The real question is, what's the price of BTC here today? Yeah, chilling. This may be the best trade ever in my life, to be honest. Like, I didn't even see this coming. Like, my bags were dumped in September here, man. This is probably the best trade of my life ever, no matter in whatever I traded. Took profits right here, right, and then add in more right here. So we'll see where Bitcoin goes. I think 100K. I got it marked. So cheers to the BTC boys. We'll pop champagne on the yacht 1 year from now. All right, here come our all-time highs, gang, on gold.
All right, time to call it a weekend.
All right, everyone, have a great week. Take care. Brush your hair. See you next weekend.
Damn.
There we go. So we smoked those highs there. Today's Friday.
That's
What day did I say it was?
I don't know. If I was in Florida, I'd be getting hibachi tonight.
We got a juice box. If we can get a nice $1,000 win here today, I'll go get some hibachi tonight. But no ban.
No, bro. Just
No
call it a day.
No ban, no hibachi.
Alright.
Gang, for those of you guys who are
Yo, Chad, how we feeling?
in the competition today, I know Sunday I believe is the last day to sign up, so you guys can compete in the top 1 competition. Sunday is going to be the last day to sign up for that, and then we're going to start. Yeah, AB Mike wants to do a giveaway. Let's do it, AB Mike. Who do you want to give away an account to today, sir? Accounts on AB Mike today, baby. Yo, let me get an account.
Baby Mike, good morning, bro. Baby Mike, you read it. You good?
How do you lose 500 on a winning trade? I don't know. That's pretty confusing. Sounds like a riddle.
Sounds like you turned a winning trade into a losing trade.
Riddle me this. Riddle me that. AB Schneip wants to give some accounts today. Accounts on AB Mike here today, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let me hold something, AB Mike.
You should let AB Mike pick the person.
Yo, Lambo Nick. Hey. I've been spending a little bit more time in Miami lately. You know what I'm saying? Yo, chat, I'll be in Miami this weekend. So I think Monday's going to be the best day. For those of you guys who didn't hear yet, we're probably going to try and do some sort of a link up on Monday afternoon. So if you guys are in MIA, let me know and we'll set it up.
Damn, Cannon. Man's a hustler.
I DoorDash over 100 hours last week just to buy. Let's go, man. You'll be telling those
Awesome,
stories
bro.
one day about how you were DoorDashing, and you're gonna be on the TTE podcast, and we're gonna be like, so bro, how does it feel to make 100 G's this month? And you're gonna be able to tell us that story, bro. So we're looking forward to hearing it.
Yes, sir. I am too. Yep.
Cannon. All right, I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour close, and then we'll do a nice top-down analysis here. Typically, every time we break the high, we end up dropping that day. So we'll see what happens here.
Yeah, weird, bro. Can't drive forever.
We need Trump to tweet something like, "We're gonna kick everyone's ass," and then all of a sudden Joel's gonna drop down.
Should recorrect.
Mess with the U.S., you'll never see the light of day again. Shoot. Volume. We'll do it at the
no
end of the
topic
stream.
would be beautiful.
Hey, yo, AB Mike gonna build up the anticipation, man. You're gonna make us wait, huh?
1 minute here. Yeah, Dominic back at all-time highs.
That's hilarious. All right, we got 1 minute. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's see, like, if we just got to the desk here right now. Let's talk about price here. So looking at the daily and the weekly, right? So we just smoked the weekly highs. The daily is pumping up off of this support level, right? We really had a good read on the support being formed here yesterday, which is money, right? So now we pushed up, cruised to the top of the range, and there's nothing here for us to target. Zero. So we've got nothing, right? We're in this outer space right now. We're breaking these all-time highs. There's literally nothing to the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is potentially going to close here with no top wick with 39 seconds left in it. So looking good in terms of price potentially coming back down here, and this is where we get the fade. There's not much to talk about. You know, there's really not. It's just this one massive candle. These are your highs here, so there's not much to really cover here. This is the only zone. This is the zone in which we're leaving at 83. Maybe we come back towards that zone. That's all I got. Otherwise, nothing to the left, man. Yeah, you got 10 seconds. You may close a no top wick here and just press sell.
Close with no top wick. Press sell, hope for the best.
Just literally press sell.
Yeah, no top wick.
Yeah, no top wick.
Anyone.
Oh wow, these two charts are totally different here. Yeah, so 4 hour candle closed, obviously 15:30, all that closing with very little to no top wick here. So I think I'm just gonna probably wait on a resistance level and then try and see if we can go from there.
We're in outer space. We need a plan for exit.
We need a plan for returning back to Earth. Back to Earth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't want to fade right here because we may just keep pushing here. I press sell. Good, good, good.
Yes, sir, chat. Hey, we talked about, losses yesterday and being a great loser. Like, how we feeling? Like, after taking a loss, you guys taking it on the chin, or you guys feel like maybe you guys are eager to get back in? How we feeling? Does it feel okay to lose a trade, It
wasn't that bad, was it? It's not as bad as the Quakers make it seem.
It's like getting a needle, right? A little pinch, and then it's all good.
All right, you're gonna feel a little pinch. Ding, stop loss. You're like, little pinch,
yeah,
bro. That was a little pinch out of my bank account, and I only had a pinch.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. I like it, Maurice. I love it.
Yeah, this is nice here.
Yeah, 2 minutes in. Might just bleed.
Charts for stream? Yeah, we could take a look. Yeah, we'll probably wait on the 15 here, get some sort of see if we can get a resistance, and then take it from there. All right, let's check out some charts for stream here. All right, where did we start here today?
Sir, good answers, y'all. Good answers.
All right, let's take a look here. All right, waited for closure below, but closed at support, so no trade. Okay, then this closed below, but now too close to support right here. This one, yeah, that wasn't too bad. Waited for this candle to close below, but closed at support, not below. Yep. Next candle drove down 40 pips. Yeah, I think so this probably your only option right here, but no top wick, so yeah, no trade there. No trade. Some people may have had the range marked up here too, right? And then just consider that a minor support, and I would do that, but with all these wicks being there in this situation, I wouldn't do it. So I don't blame you for staying out there. If this was not there, if this was clear and you just had that minor support, then I don't think that's a bad trade on this candle's breakout, because you got clean traffic all the way down. But yeah, in this situation with all those wicks there, I would have been patient just like you. Yeah, good job. Way to stay out. Holy PM Magnifico, man. I don't know if I could read all this. Okay, yeah, not a bad trade. I think this might have been in your way though. So you got up there. So it looks like you were looking for this area here, right? Yeah. So I took this trade too. I closed partials right there, I believe. Yeah, was this last night? Yeah. So yeah, and then price started falling there. Yeah, no, I think it was a good trade. I think it was good. Let's take a look. Yeah, it ended up pumping up, I know. Yeah. That was during London session. All right, let's take a look at this one. We got a fade from Engineer 14. Let's take a look at it, Engineer 14. Current 4-hour open, started moving up, no bottom wick. Retrace, moved down, then formed the bottom wick without breaking its previous lows. Okay. And then entered on the break of the current. Okay, beautiful. Last 15. You see how the RR on these trades are insane, right? If you really hold the full position there. Next form, good bottom wick. I entered on the break of its own high. W. Yeah, 330. Daily bearish. The fade. Okay, cool. I like it. Good trade. Did I do something wrong or you just trolled me? Nah, I just didn't feel like reading all that. All right? I'm not the best reader anyway, so. Especially when I'm reading in front of like 1,600 people. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, so we got 30-minute breakout trade. Okay, previous 4-hour closed bullish above the resistance. Bottom wick created. Didn't take the trade. Hold on. Didn't take the trade after the extended breakout. Was immediately waited for a strong bullish candle, then executed. Okay, cool. Break of the highs. Yeah, this was good. This was pre-New York, right? Or was that pre-New York or Asian? Yeah, I think this was pre-New York. Yeah, I like these buys. These were good. 15-minute, you had like a closure above too. Yeah, nice. What are we doing here? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna wait on that resistance here in about 8 minutes. Yeah, this was good. This was a really good trade here pre-New York. I remember this is the 30-minute time frame, but the 15 looked really money. You had a nice closure above there. Let's see. Awareness. Let's take a look. Awareness. So, all right, London, 4:30 a.m. All right, so entry 15-minute, 30-minute celery. Okay. Here, large. Yep, bullish candle. Previous 4 hours bearish. 30-minute left till new 4-hour close. Okay, Cool. Yeah, this I think the same trade, right? The same trade. 15-minute time frame was pretty good. Yeah, same trade, I think. Another one, same trade. So this is what I love about our crew is that typically when one person takes it, you see like a bunch of other people taking same exact ideas here. So salary 4:30 a.m. Yup. Previous daily bullish, 4-hour bearish, but on the current break of the 4-hour. Okay, perfect. Yep. Look good. This is 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame. Everything looked good on the 15-minute here. The fade, Young Pipper hitting the fade. Okay. Same. Yeah, wow, what a move. What pair is this? Was this gold? Not sure. Okay, it's just a picture. I probably wouldn't have been in that trade just because of no topic there. But good move. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see. We got tried to take the fade. 1 hour moved up quite a lot. Price started rejecting. Okay, from previous resistance, entered on the 15 candle, broke its own low, 18 pips in profit, but that didn't close. Okay, new 1 hour candle didn't make it, its own low, started to moving up, stop loss hit. All good, all goody. Way to give it a shot. I actually did take this trade as well, so I took it off the actually I did take this off the fade here. I actually went break even, and then this candle, this green candle hit me at break even, so I like that trade. I took that trade. That was right, yeah, right here. No, wrong one. That was this one. Wait, where is that one? Where's that trade? Didn't I show you guys that just a little while ago? Yeah, I took that trade though. That was a good trade. Yeah, I just went break even on it. Let's see, what else? 30-minute breakout. Yeah, that's the trade that John took. Lovely, beautiful. That was the move of the day so far, according to us.
Definitely. Oh yeah, that was a great move. 7:30 that was.
Yeah, 7:30. Can you share Discord link? Exclamation point Discord. You can type that in the chat here, in the live chat, and it'll pop up for you. All right, let's just sit tight here. We got time, so we gotta wait for this candle to close.
Okay. Richard, Tradeovate's a personal broker, and Top Step is a futures funded or evaluation firm. That's the difference between them.
Can you tell me?
Yeah,
what was
Richard,
wrong
you
with
can
my
fund.
lines?
You can fund your own. You can fund your Tradeovate, or you can take a challenge with Top Step.
Which one, PM Magnifico? Was it the big paragraph one or the one below it? This one right here, right? Yeah, I don't think there was anything wrong. I think you could have closed partials. That's all. Yeah, I think maybe there was some areas here in which you probably could have used that as an advantage point instead of this guy. But if you were using this area, I don't think there's anything wrong with this trade. Maybe you could have went break even, but it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, if you didn't want to go BE, so maybe go BE at this point next time, right? And then you know, hold for that area. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with the actual trade itself, right? You had a breakout, buy right here. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the actual trade. What time frame is this? Yeah, the trade itself is pretty good. The only thing too, bro, is that, you know, you have this level here too. Yeah, and it's a 15-minute time frame, so it could be a little sketchy. Yeah, good trade though. Good trade. Good trades, guys. Yo, this could be a celery play right here like you would never see before.
Oh, bro, I know.
Ah. What up,
And that's where
Dom?
our stop. That's where our stops will be sitting.
Yeah. Stops right here, just in case the celery play rips.
Yeah. What are you thinking? Would you rather the onion or celery? We just don't have anything to look for to the left. That's the only
Yeah.
trash thing.
Buy or sell, chat. Now we got a question. Buy or sell?
Yeah, right.
I'm asking y'all now. Hey, buy or sell, chat? Buy or sell?
Scratching my head
Talk
now.
to me. I need some help. Scratching my head. Teach me.
That's a good answer. Nothing.
Come on, chat. Teach me.
Damn.
How about this? How about this? How about we anticipate the celery, but wait for a fake out or wait for a pack runner, right? So don't jump on the celery because we got nothing to the left, right? So if this wants to run, just let it run. Just let it go today. But what happens if we pop, right? And then start coming down. And then that's where the fall starts to happen here. Right? And then we start driving down. I don't know, just a thought. Just a thought. When in doubt, punt. Buy stops on the break of the highs, sell stops on the break of the lows. Let's go.
I'm with that, honestly. 15-minute might close window bottom.
We
Like,
in there. Yeah, if we close in no bottom wick, then. All right, Tills, later, man.
stops are massive.
All right, 1 second here. So you got a closure. We're still remaining above the overall zone here as well. So that's a little tough to go ahead, but we got a closure, 15-minute closure, 30-minute candle still open here. So yeah, 30 still open. I'm probably gonna, if I am taking anything, it's probably gonna be at the 30 close. Yeah, I would have been interested if the 15 closed up here, but if it rallies, it will go forever. Not forever, but it will go. That's for sure. Wait for the 30 fade.
Tough.
Yeah, actually, I did press buy. I did press sell on my other account too, by the way. Having a tough day on this account after that loss. But we'll see. Maybe this.
What account?
It's just a Top Step account that I'm working on. Yeah. Yeah. Today is Friday. What do I risk on Top Step? I risk big on Top Step. Big. Because especially with the combine, right? Just gonna look to secure the combine. So I usually risk like 30 minis. Right now I'm in at 45 minis, so I'm up about like
You're still in?
$1,700, yeah. But it's just a combine. So this is my real cash account. I had a buy stop of, well, the all-time high, 70 pips. Hey, yep. That's epic. 8-figure trader is in the house. Well, welcome. You found a bunch of like-minded individuals here. Zoltan. Hey, if you can guess what movie that's from, the first person to guess, I'll give you a 25K challenge account. Zoltan. First one to guess, not the second one or the third one or the fourth one, just the first one. Man said Little Giants. Oh, Scott got it. Dude, where's my car? All right, Scotty boy. Send me your address, bro. Dude. Jolton? No, not Jolton. Zolander? Nah. Dude, where's my car? Classic. Star Wars. Aladdin? Yeah, don't mess with Zoltan. Alright, let's see something here. Man, these are 80 pip stops, 28 pip on current candle. I think I'd rather wait on the 30 and use current 30 highs if we're gonna take this thing down. I want to hold this. I'm trying to get my loss back here today, but I do think we're gonna start to sell off here, so I'm gonna hold on this account to like back down at least towards 83 here. Where's my 25K account? Told him, bring me my money, son. Where my money?
Bring me my money.
Little King Man was messing with the cash register. I told him, where the cash at, King Man? Where the cash at? Little King Man. You know, some of you guys are looking to start up and get better habits and stuff, and like we talk all about like starting small, you know, and like I'm trying to help Kingman start to crawl and whatnot and all that good stuff, right? So you got to make it small, right? You got to create small habits. So I put the little ball next to him, and you know he can't get it. I push it a little further to him, a little further. Then he grabs it, and then he'll start crawling for it, you know. And that's how we got to be with our goals sometimes. Like you got to start really small, right? Ones that you can actually accomplish, and then you get into the habit, get into the routine of slaying goals, right? Of accomplishing goals, smashing goals, whether how small they may be. And then that ultimately will get you into that momentum of setting bigger goals and being able to, you know, move on and really level up. You know what I mean? Level up. Yeah, the kids, man, the kids will teach you a lot. Kids will teach you a lot. The 4-hour candle can flip and drive up. Yes, for sure. Took 2 trades, 2 L's. I'm done for the day. Lock my, yep, smart move, bro. Lock yourself out. All right, baby, we pushing.
Waiting on the 30-minute, right?
Yeah. What am I looking for? I'm going to wait on the 30 closure here. See how we close up. Big closure. Hey, give me a sec. I'll be right back, right? Rapid fire Q&A for John.
Yeah, I agree. 30-minute, definitely a better confirmation in these type of market conditions right now. You got a 30-minute confirmation, which is a stronger confirmation than the 15, and then you also got 930 volume in. So, hey, C Melly, great, bro. You're taking the W, bro. You're focusing on building good habits, and that's what it's about, man. Good stuff. Oh yeah, on to the next. Yep. Looking at funded account futures. Yeah, so if you get a funded futures account, it's a monthly subscription with Top Step. So if you buy a challenge account with Top Step, you're gonna have to pay the fee monthly, right? And that's only until you pass, and then there won't be any more monthly fee to pay. Yeah, see, Melly, I love that Top Step has that like in their platform, you know, the ability to just lock yourself out so you can't take any more trades for the day. Preserving your capital. I think that's a W feature on their platform. Yeah, we're looking to see how this 30-minute closes. We'll see what information we can get from the 30-minute. Yo, chat, anyone take that sell off the 15-minute? Yeah, just in the conditions we're in, I didn't like the 15-minute onion there. Yeah, Louis G, I'm doing Top Step X. Yes, sir. Oh wow, C-Melly, really? Yeah, Top Step and Apex, I think they're the two best future firms. The fact that I can have 20 accounts with Apex, right, is crazy. Yes, sir, Richard. Yes. Yep. Correct. Louis G, it is mobile friendly, but I don't like trading on my phone personally. Like with Top Step X, like I'll trade on my phone with TradingView and Tradeovate, but now with Top Step X, it can be done, but it's a little different. I'm in 2.5% drawdown on the 5K funded account. Hey, bro, all good. You know what the mindset is? On to the next, G. On to the next trade, bro. I'm up 2.5%. I'm down 2.5%. No matter what, it's always on to the next trade. All right.
Yes, sir. No FOMO? No FOMO, no FOMO. We're going to wait on the 30 closure here. Stops are getting reasonable.
Yes, it's tough here.
Would really like to see the 15 close with no top wick here.
You're really rallying, man.
Fast track trading? Oh, nice. What is that? Instant funding? Nice. All right. 3 minutes. Let's see. How do you plant good thoughts and ideas into your subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is programmed through repetition. So it takes repetition. It takes day in and day out, speaking pretty much life into yourself. You got to get affirmations. Yeah, read your affirmations and you'll lock it in. It's all about repetition, repetition, repetition. That's why I keep my goal everywhere.
There.
See my goal? It's right in my wallet. It stays right on me. My goal stays with me. I stay with my goal. I touch my goal every single day, read it every day. And that's why I just continue to go from goal to goal to goal to goal to goal.
Yes, sir. I also speak affirmations every morning as well. It's great. It's a great program.
It's a little silly, but people see in your car just talking to yourself. I'm a winner. You're like yelling into the rearview mirror. You're like, this guy's crazy. But, you know, you got to be crazy to accomplish greatness, man. You got to be crazy. You got to be slightly crazy.
A little bit.
Little some, little some.
Every genius is once considered a madman, to be honest.
I'm a madman. That's my wife. She thinks I'm crazy
That's
sometimes.
for sure.
Did someone say little some? That's like the magic keys. Sing! Magic keys comes out. Little some. Little some. How can you have limited risk when market gives different setup on each trade? What do you mean? What do you mean?
You adapt.
Yeah, the biggest traders I know, they have A, B, and C type setups. They risk pretty much super big on all A setups. They go very small on C setups, and then B is like the average setup that they take. So they put like their regular size. But you know what he said? He said, you know, most trades we take are going to be B trades, right? Obviously, because that's your middle ground. So you steadily kind of do this on a monthly basis. But then when you hit those A's be pumping you, right? And you'd be creating new ranges, then like another A, and all you need is like 2 or 3 A's a month, right? To work out in your favor, and you take your P&L, you know, higher and higher. So that's what I've learned from some of the most successful traders I've got a chance to talk to. So that's kind of like what I've been implementing. Major key. All right. Couple seconds here. So to be honest, I think the pack runner in this case is probably going to be the best. See if we can get some sort of a pack runner, break the highs, and then set a sell stop. You know, the buys are good, but I think if buys want to juice today, I'll probably just let it go. Yeah, because I got no targets. There's 0 targets to the left. I have no idea what I would be going into that buy completely blind.
Yeah.
Bro, who's calling me? You don't know I'm on the live stream? Why aren't you on the live stream? Why are you calling me? Dang. 2,500? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm going to chill on the buys here. If buys work out, I'll just be happy, you know? It'll set me up for next week. So let's see if we can get a bit of a packy here, or at least a pretty steep top wick, because we need that wick as our stop loss here. Yo, Lewis, don't be calling me on stream, bro. Alright, so if we can get a top wick, then I'm going to have a position that looks something like this, but we're going to need that top wick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter on the previous candle's low. I'm going to keep the current candle stop, and I'm going to leave myself room to manage, right? So if I see anything I don't want to see after breaking that wherever this high goes to, we'll have room to manage, right? And maybe if things go against us and they want to rip up and just keep juicing for all-time highs, we manage somewhere in there. Yeah. Okay, cool. Lovely, lovely.
You mean current candle or previous candle?
I'm gonna use current candle entry. Previous candle stop this time, yeah. $9.30. All right, so yeah, we'll see how we do here. So we'll give this one more shot. See if it works. Fast track may be the real deal. What is the fast track? Is that Apex? Apex. What are you doing, man? I'm trading. I'm just trading everything. I'm doing everything. I'm doing everything, man. I'm just trading. That's all I'm doing. What are you doing? Just found your channel. Oh, nice, man. Welcome. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, if I win this trade, I win it. If I lose, I lose it. You know the vibes, gang. Same deal as last trade. You know how I get down. I don't change, right? It's same stuff, different day. Rinse and repeat.
Sir.
Welcome, Daniel. If you have any questions, man, let us know. When's the next comp starting? It is starting on Monday. Big free-for-all, man. It's going to be like a Royal Rumble. This will be like a Royal Rumble out here. Yeah.
Monday Raw night?
No.
Raw Monday, whatever.
What? Oh, yeah.
Like Raw Monday.
Monday Night Raw?
Yeah, Monday Night Raw.
I haven't heard that in a while. SmackDown or SmackDown?
Facts.
Am I in this trade? I am not in this trade, but I do have a sell stop here. It's probably sitting like right here. Yeah, Oanda and this chart's a little bit different.
A little different.
Just a little bit. It's a little bit. And then, yeah,
Slightly.
So that is my idea here. So pretty much what we're going to look for is probably, or what I'm going to look for is probably some break even around 82-ish, somewhere around here. And then, yeah, partial is probably somewhere around 78. 78-ish. Yeah, let's say like right around here somewhere. Rey Mysterio. Is it cool if we start trading Asian session? Yep, we're going to start. We're already working on it. Yeah, so come September, we'll have a stream for every session. Every session. Song name? You like the music? It's chill vibes, right? Yeah, these charts are not lining up here. This one's bullish and this one's bearish, so I have no idea what's happening, but my sell stop is on the break of the low here on the futures chart. I have no idea why this candle is not, like, this is not real, so I'm not sure what that is, but this is the real chart.
Yes. We'll go off the real chart.
Oanda quick.
Good.
How's Oanda going? How's Oanda going down and the futures chart's going up? Like, what?
Dude, for real.
What?
Like, come again?
It ain't lining up here, man. It ain't lining up.
Really isn't.
Yeah, Pack Runner would be, I mean, perfect right here. Perfect.
It would be.
Thought it was just me? Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen them like conflicting that much. I mean, this one's legit going down, or now it's going up. But yeah, I've never seen them conflict that much. All right, yeah, if we can break
weird.
the high and then drop down and break this low, that's gonna be the best trade of our lives. but we still might lose. Did he say best trade of our life? Increase lot size? Increase.
You gotta go full margin. Oh no.
My chart's so different. Probably shouldn't take this trade. Yeah, if you're all confused, don't even take it. Yeah, if your chart's different.
It was like no volume here.
9:30. So I would assume like that this is probably accurate, a little bit more accurate now here.
Yeah.
Futures data, yeah. So oh yeah, that could be why on Oanda. It's giving you a little false. See, like this is coming down now. This is going up.
Weird.
Who's got buy stops for celeries? I don't think it's a bad idea. If there was obviously clean traffic or some sort of data to the left, I'd be interested. But on a day like today, I'm just gonna let this go. Like if it wants to run up to 50, whatever, wherever it wants to go, it can go. On a day like today, right? I'd rather let it come down and then take my buys later. Oanda for the money grab. Money grab on Oanda.
Let's see.
All right, yeah, we want
What
to
does
see
gold
this high
have in
break.
mind?
So unless we start really juicing, then I'll delete it. But if we just tap the high, break it, I'm keeping this. I think I almost got. Did I almost get activated there? No. Oanda quick. Yeah, the 15-minute buys, yeah, they look good. Yup. All right, that's your pack runner.
There's
so
the
if we can
pack.
stop around here, that'll be good. If we just keep juicing, then I'm just going to delete it. We'll probably call it a week. Icy markets is frozen? Oh, damn.
Yeah, 15-minute. Damn, wasn't bad.
Nah, 15-minute was pretty good.
Yeah.
To the moon. All right, we grabbed the pack. So all the buyers are activated at this point, right, on the break of those highs. So let's see what happens. If the buyers are good, you know, if it keeps pushing up, I'm gonna root for the buyers. But right now, I can see that the buyers have been activated, which is what I would like in term for these sells. So we'll see if we break the lows
Yep.
here and start driving.
Yep.
As of right now, though, buyers, I'm rooting for y'all, man. Maybe this thing will just keep pumping. But once we break the lows here, then I'm just gonna stop rooting for you. Just kidding, man. I'm always rooting for you. Oh, the aliens are here. Pacquiao. Yo, we haven't had a pack runner like that in a while. It's been a minute. My charts are frozen? Oh, damn. Okay, now
She
we're
may be
now-
gone.
Yeah, you see, we didn't even break the high on Oanda yet. That's trippy.
Very trippy.
Yeah, if you don't close, so the big closure is coming up here. I think in 3 minutes. If we close below, then you know, you might see the next 15 start driving. Is that a double top, right? Double top. Double top. How you doing? Nobody knows nothing. Hey man, we hear you guys on other streams saying nobody knows nothing. Come on, man, give us some credit. Me and Little Mo and John. We hear y'all. We hear y'all. How you doing? It's like it's traveling
Hey, Dan.
from stream to stream now.
Yeah, right.
Nobody knows nothing, bro. Gold 2500. Any thoughts? Yeah, just because it's a even round, nice bank number. Yeah, but I have no evidence to like prove that. You know what I mean? Like to even say, well, yeah, outside of it's just a flat, even, you know, bank number. Took some bad losses today. All good. Well, it's not all good. You know what I mean, Captain? Like, if you took bad losses, then it's not. If you took losses, that's all good, right? According to the strategy. But if you took bad losses, then that's really not all good. So you just gotta define: was it a good loss? Was it actually a bad loss? And if it was, then you know you gotta have that little conversation with the man in the mirror. But if they were good losses, man, just study them, see how you could have maybe done a little bit better, and just keep moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, like remember like last month when I took that bad loss? Like I kind of beat myself up a little bit for like the next hour or two, but then I got over it, you know what I mean? Cuz it's pretty, you know, if you're only breaking your rules once every, you know, 15, 20 months, I mean, that's not a big deal, but if you're breaking rules and taking bad losses all the time, then or, you know, frequently, then there's something's got to change there.
Definitely.
I honestly forgot about the loss we took earlier. We took a loss earlier?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. We did take a loss earlier. The what? Yeah. All right. Let's see how the 15. I think the 15 closed above, or yeah, it's closing above with no top wick here. So yeah, I don't think this is not going to be a good position here. It's not looking hot, so I'm going to delete this based off of what I'm seeing here now. Yeah, we might call it a day, to be honest. This this ain't looking the hottest.
Just call it, bro.
Just call it. What do you think, Green? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Nothing to do, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, I think closures below support are going to be much better here. So let's say now you got that resistance here, right? You've got this support, and I think closures below there is going to be our best bet. Yeah, you do have volume in, right? You do have volume in right now, 930, 945, but there's nothing to the all-time highs. There's nothing to the left here. There's, you know, this is clean for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for a closure below, and if that happens a little bit later, then great. If not, no biggie. We made a lot of money this week, so that's good. And we'll just leave with the money, spend it this weekend, and then come back and re-up.
Sounds good, bro. Give me a shot later.
All right, cool, man.
All right.
Holla, my boy.
I bet.
boy.
Chad, hope you guys all have a blessed weekend, and hope you guys spend some time proving yourself as a trader this weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. All right, peace.
Later, John. Green says, take the L out of love, it's over. Oh, okay, it's over. Yeah. Bye-bye. Let gold do its thing. Let it go create its new high and whatever it wants to do here. And yeah, we'll just call it. Yeah. Any last minute questions before we dip out here? Any last minute good questions? Good questions. Anyone? How could I service you in this last couple minutes? Stream song name, relaxing lo-fi beats, 12 hours of DMC free and copyright free music, September edition. Nobody knows nothing. Why aren't you playing into the trend? Just because I've got nothing here. So I'd love to take a buy here, but where do I target? You know, unless I use some sort of like Fibonacci's and all that, where other traders might be using. But other than that, price action wise, which is what I'm used to trading, I've got nothing to the left. So that's why I can't take buys here. How many participants are in the new competition? I don't know. I actually haven't looked. If you guys aren't in the competition, the tournament, sign up today, tomorrow, or Sunday, and then we're going to start on Monday. So winners are getting, number one winner gets 200K account. Number two winner gets 100K account. Number three winner gets 50K account. And then we're giving like 25K accounts to like the number 10 seed. So plus the top three winners are going to get cash as well. So depending on how much we raise, you're going to get, I think it's 40%. Yeah, 40% of the pot. And then the second place seed, he gets 30% of the pot, right? And then we give the rest away to charity. Yep. Still in Luke? I'm still in Luke, man. I'm still in Luke. I'm just blown away by, you know, the parable of the Good Samaritan. I think we all need to realize that. A lot of people, they you know, they don't know how to leave ministry for ministry. You know, let's say you're studying your Bible and your wife needs some help with the kids and you're like, honey, leave me alone. I'm studying the Word of God. Like, that's not what we're called to do, right? So, or what about, like, you know, the pastor who steps over the homeless guy? Excuse me, I'm on my way to church. You know what I mean? It just really goes to show you the parable of the Good Samaritan. You know what I mean? So keep it in mind, right? Love God and love your neighbor. You know, how could you not love your neighbor and say you love God? When God's ultimately like, if you love me, you'll love your neighbor, right? So just really trying to meditate and get my head wrapped around this for the future. How long does the competition last? It's going to last 3 weeks. Oh, 4 and 5 get 50K accounts, and then 5 through 10, yeah, get 25K. Yeah. Hey, neighbor, you think you can give me a hand here? No, man, I'm on my way to church. Get out of my way. All right. All right. So what I mean by that is, you know, ministry for ministry. There's more to it than what most religious people think, right? It's how can we serve our neighbor? How can we love on our neighbor? How can we help, you know? Yeah, so that's kind of like what I'm learning here. All right, C. Melly, have a great day. What's the link to sign up for the challenge? The link is going to be !comp. There it is. It's popping up there. So get your, it's a $10 buy-in. If we get 800 like we did last time, the jackpot will be about $8,000. So the winner gets, number one seed gets like almost half of that. Discord link, hit !Discord. That'll be that link. Yeah, thanks, TK. Yeah, winners are determined how much profit they make. Yep. By the way, the winners of the last tournament, you know, they only were up like 2%, right, gang? So come in the tournament this time, like play your game and really play to win, right? Why not? Play to win. You got 200K on the line. You got maybe like $4,000 as a prize. I mean, we're trying to do everything we can to just like help people out and set them up for success. You know what I mean? We're doing all we can, friends. We're doing all we can. Any other questions? Any other questions? Discord links expired. It shouldn't be. Should be good. Previous 4 hour doesn't have a top wick, so I reckon no need to wait for range 2 sells. Yeah, if we get a closure below 85, gang, I think I'm gonna look to take sells here. You've got you've got the break of that 4 hour low. Why would the 4 hour low break and then want to shoot back up now at this point? So yeah, I think you get a closure below there on the 15 or 30 minute time frame. This thing will be good to go. Yeah, I may or may not take a trade today. We'll see. There's the Discord link. I've got my account today, and it's Friday. W, man. You made it through the week. Bro, I know you see my question. LOL. I haven't seen it. Rodney FX. Send it again. I'll look for it now. Yeah, I really don't be ignoring you guys, man. I promise. There's just a lot of questions that come in. Took some bad losses this week. If you were me, what would you do over the weekend to improve? I just study my trades. I studied my trades. I'd ask myself, am I continuing to make these same mistakes over and over again? And then if it is something that's common and like happening a lot, then I need to ask myself, Mr. Nick Stewart, are you really down for this? Are you really down for this trading life? Or are you just trying to get lucky here? Are you committed or are you not committed? And if you're committed, then you'll make changes, you'll make decisions this week, tough decisions that will push you forward. And yeah, that's what I would look at. I would take a good look at myself in the mirror and ask myself, are you really willing to do what it takes to be a successful trader? How do you deal with playbook setups that hit your stop loss before going in your favor? Nothing really. Just on to the next trade. Sometimes I'll look and I'll say, hey, well, could I have had a better stop loss? And if the answer is yes, then I'll look left and I'll see if that was the case. And then next time I'll say, okay, well, next time I'll look that way before placing my stop and try and cover for that. But if it hits your stops and just drives, I mean, sometimes there's nothing you can really do about that. Zada, nice Zada. Zada. Stick to the playbook. You have more wins than losses. There you go, Green. Yeah, keep it simple, man. If you guys are struggling, you don't know what the heck to do, take this. Breakout, onion, celery. Don't do anything else. Just keep it simple. Yeah, we good? We good? I make some best trades on demo and then I don't take the impulse trade. Yeah, it's understandable, right? There's nothing at risk when you're taking a demo, so you just let it rock, and if it hits stops, it hits stops. Who cares, right? But when you got your own money on the line, then it's a different story. So you just gotta, take into consideration your trade management and just try and get out of the way and let the trade play out. That's what I try and do. Anytime I mess things up or I close early, it's just simply because I got in my own way, and I didn't let the trade play out to where I knew it would go. Yeah. Own money is very hard. Own money feels soft to me. Feels soft. Oh, maybe the quarters here. Yeah. The coins are hard, but the money is pretty soft. Thank you, Nick. Are you able to directly deposit from your bank to them? To who? To TradeObait? Yeah, TradeObait I usually do a wire in, wire out. It's quick. It takes like 40 minutes. How to be disciplined? You try it for a week, and then you get really good results, and you get addicted to discipline. Yeah, once you see the results of discipline, it's very easy to be disciplined. It's just not many people will stay disciplined long enough to reap the reward of it, right? Like a simple example in the gym. You start going to the gym, of course you're obviously going to be sore, like, more than you normally would be on your first week back. So people don't like that, right? And then boink, they quit. So they weren't disciplined enough. Had they pushed through that week and then pushed through that month and then pushed through the second month, not only would they feel great, they'd see great results, and then they would understand the value of discipline. How do you practice discipline? You map out, hey, what's my goal? Where do I want to be in the next 30 days, right? And then you say, okay, well, what's it going to take to get there? And then you write those things down, and then you say, hey, these are going to be my daily non-negotiables. And then every single day you get those done. No excuse will do. None. Yeah. You just need to stay steady long enough to actually taste the fruit of your labor. Remember, the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. So not many people are willing to stay steady to enjoy the fruit, after discipline is acted on. You speak so good, Nick. How do you develop character? By making promises to yourself and executing on them. The first person you need to commit to is you. Right? Once you commit to you, then you just prove to yourself that you're willing and able to do whatever it takes to win. And then that's how you build confidence. That's how you quickly boost your confidence. Did I say sells below 85? Yeah, closures below 85 look pretty good here. 15-minute time frame, not too shabby. 44 seconds. Anything above here is no bueno for sells or any of that. Looking for 2,500 today. Yeah, 25. Almost got to it. Almost got there. All right. Any more questions? Let me know. Zoomers. Good day, eh? Good day. NASDAQ analysis. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. So you've been bleeding obviously here for a little bit. Daily is still bullish here, but you're right at resistance, so you may have a bearish move here. 4 hour looks like it closed bear. Very clean range to the left hand side. 1 hour, same deal. 30-minute, you got this little support in the way. I would just wait for a closure below there and then start pumping sells here. Yeah, you need a closure. You need that resistance, and then you need a breakout, and then you're good. Yeah, I would say probably price should be good to travel down towards like 19,250, and that's your range. Yeah. Buys, I think buys are probably best above here. This looks like it's probably going to be like a 15-minute resistance or 15-minute wicks. Yeah, buys I'd wait. Sells look pretty good, though, if you get a closure below. Can you please give your thoughts on Chef JPY? I'm sorry, but I can't because I've never once even looked at that pair, and I would never want to give you advice that I don't really know about. Time to bleed. TTB. One more question. Do we need a wick to be formed when it comes to the celery? Not always. If you got one, that's a plus, but if you don't, it's okay. You know what I mean? Like if you're looking at this closure and you got the celery play showing up and the next candle doesn't give you a wick, I'm typically still going to have my buy stop. Yeah, that's really the only candle where I don't need that bottom wick. All right, I think we're good. All-time highs tapped. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All-time highs have been broken. Do I have any specific courses or resources like Raja to understand candlesticks? Yeah, come September. So right now we have stuff on the live stream, but come September we will be taking this thing to the next level. We're going to be doing 24-hour live streams. We're going to be doing twice a week educational trading content live for you guys, doing webinars, doing trade reviews. So just rest assured, man, you're not going to need a course. We're going to teach you everything live just like we've been doing and really make it understandable for you guys. All right, I think we're out of here. Shady stuff going on with all charts. Yeah. Yeah. Shady stuff. Do I count off for spelling? What do you mean? For spelling? We might retrace it. Yeah, we could. I think the cells are good below 86 here, but we got to get there somehow. All right, I think we good. Did you guys like the stream for me here today? Come on, squad. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. Ooh, can we get to 500 if you guys haven't liked the stream? Sub to the channel on your way out here today. Oh, did I check the spelling? Oh, I see. I did not. I'll have to go back and check it. All right, man. Yeah, I think we're out of here. Good job today, chat. Way to fire away at that fade, shake it off. It's a loss, right? I mean, there's 1,000 people here. 600 of them are gone. I think all 1,000 of you are, mature enough and responsible and professional enough to be okay with a loss, right? So just eat it, come back. Well, it was a good trade. I would take that trade again, moving into next week, and then we come back. We did really good this week. I think we had like 7 or 8 wins and 2 losses. So not a bad week if you're asking me. And enjoy the weekend, and then let's come back on Monday. I will be live streaming from my laptop in Miami, so yeah, we should be good for Monday. Enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna go to a Luke Belmar event this weekend, so I'm pretty excited about that. Gonna try and shake hands and negotiate and have some conversation with the right people, and see where we can go, man. So the best is yet to come, my friends. God bless y'all, and have a great weekend, and we will see you back here on Monday. Love y'all. We out.
I was down, but now I'm up.
Peace.
Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. From the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Whoa. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up.
Glory to the Father. counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.